When affirmations call you out directly: Stacy, you are a millionaire. Keaton, you are deeply loved. Your brain locks on. That's not hype, that's neuroscience. Your name flips on your salience network, the part of you that decides, this actually matters. So instead of nice words in the background, it hits like a personal truth. Welcome to Affirmations by Name, the world's first free library of personalized affirmations spoken directly to you by name. And it's not just names. This is a complete self-rewire system, built so there's no room to wobble. Every tool you could possibly need to create your reality, change your history, or shift timelines is all right here. On this channel, you're not just listening, you're being affirmed into the reality you want, until your outer reflection matches your inner story. Listen to a remind you anytime you need help remembering who you are. And immerse yourself in the sound of certainty with hypnotic repeaters, focused affirmation loops, short, hypnotic, and endlessly repeating, designed to lock in a single belief system until it becomes second nature. Use hypnotic repeaters to reinforce your personalized affirmations. Think robotic affirmations on steroids, designed to saturate until it sticks. Next, check out the Self-TUNEZ playlist, the musical side of Affirmations by Name, where powerful affirmations meet high-vibe sound design. These tracks are created to amplify your personalized affirmations. These tracks strengthen your subconscious programming through rhythm, melody, and lyrical repetition. They're light, catchy reinforcement that helps the new identity feel normal, natural, easy. Affirmations by Name takes all the guesswork out of manifesting. Because I know you've heard affirmations on repeat before, but let's be real. When you hear, I am wealthy, or I am loved, your mind still feels a gap, because it doesn't sound like it's meant for you. Most affirmations are just a blanket, and blankets can only cover so much. That's why I created Affirmations by Name. Because the truth is, most affirmations feel like they're for someone else. Here, it's personal. Everything on this channel is handcrafted and high quality on purpose. No negative speak subliminals, ever. Each track uses layers of subliminals for deeper saturation in both I and you phrasing used strategically, so your conscious mind agrees and your subconscious absorbs. The second you start to spiral, hit a reminder, a personalized track, a repeater, or a Self-TUNEZ, and snap back into who you are. Subscribe, like, and comment your name on any video. You might be featured in the next upload. This is the future of affirmations, and it starts with your name.